In today's video, we are going to be unboxing 2 more brand new kits. We're going to be unboxing and doing a try-on of the Naughty kit and the Wifey kit. So first up is the Naughty kit. In the Naughty kit, you get the Naughty Lash, the Dolly Lash, and the Flirty Lash. Next, we have the Wifey kit. The Wifey kit includes the Wifey Lash, of course, BADDY Lash, and Bossy Lash. And in both kits, of course, you get a full-size magnetic liner and an applicator. So now that you guys have seen what the kits themselves look like, let's get into the try-on of all the lashes in the Naughty kit and in the Wifey kit. So first up, we have the lashes in the Naughty kit. So starting off, of course, we have the Naughty Lash itself. It's a mid-glam, mink, and all-day gorgeous lash, and it has the length of Wifey Lash, but the outer edge of Baby Lash. It's designed for an instant lift with tapered volume and lots of drama. Next, we have the Dolly Lash. It's lightly curled and mink, and Dolly Lash is your go-to for subtle volume and maximum length. It's got petals, soft layers, and tapered ends, so it's going to instantly make your eyes pop and take center stage. Last up, we have the Flirty Lash. It's a beautiful faux mink lash, but it's designed to look like real mink. It's perfect for the girl out there with medium to large size eyes, and it's super wispy and long and beautiful. Next up, we have the lashes in the Wifey kit. So first up, we have the Wifey Lash, of course. It's a beautiful tapered faux mink lash for mid to large size eyes. It's perfect for everyday wear or maybe as a statement set of lashes for a special night out. Next up in the Wifey kit, we have the BADDY Lash. It's similar to Flashy, but with a bit more length. The BADDY Lash gives you a mink-based glam with that perfect curl that you will love. Last up, we have the Bossy Lash. The Bossy Lash was designed for large, beautiful eyes. Now, while all of our lashes are going to garner a lot of attention and interest, the Bossy Lash will scream your presence across the room. It's super full and gives you kind of that all-around drama effect. So those were all the lashes in the Naughty kit and in the Wifey kit. Of course, all links will be down below in the description box so you can shop your own. Before you go, if you guys have any questions about tips and tricks on using our liner, you can watch this video right here. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below, and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.